Hello everyone, cluckers and eggs. Welcome to my channel. Today, in few steps, I will show you how you can add abstract network to your MetaMask wallet in order to mint cluckers on 4th of February by Bad Egg Company on MagicEden platform or marketplace on abstract chain. So we will have two wallets. One will be called main wallet and the second is called burner. The main wallet could be your actual main wallet, which carries your funds or some NFTs, or it can be your hardware wallet like Ledger, cold wallet as we call it. So in case you wanted to transfer the funds first to your burner, as we always recommend to use a burner when you are minting a new project for a couple of reasons. With Cluckers, it's a trusted project. The idea is if you are connecting to another mint, sometimes these projects can do hanky-panky steps. So to avoid this kind of drama, we recommend always to use a burner to reduce the damage only to the minting amount. And sometimes also we receive malicious links, and we always recommend to use the official links from the trusted projects, so it can take you directly to platforms or marketplaces like MagicEden or OpenSea. Keep in mind, sometimes the bad actors, they are sending you links looks similar to the original website with a small change in one letter. It can be capital I while it is already a small L, and they are look similar and it can pass to anybody. So we will use a burner and we will transfer. Then after we add the network and transfer the funds, we need to use a bridge, so we can bridge the amount or move the amount between Ethereum network and abstract network. And in this scenario, we will use relay.link. There is another bridge which is I found on abstract platform. It's called jumper.exchange, but I never used it, so I will give you the one I used. I was transferring some amount on relay.link between Ethereum network and Base network. The idea is all the other exchanges that I was using in the past, they are charging like 29 and 30. Thanks to some of the community members of Bad Egg, they informed me about relay.link, and when I used it, it was $1 or $1 something, very, very small amount, but a huge difference between the exchanges. And we have another option in case you don't want to use Ledger, because Ledger is the most trusted website for me that I can connect to. But there is another also ABSCAN, which is the explorer of abstract chain, suggested by Ben Fuller. Thank you so much for that. So I will show you first the scan, which is here. Assume you will click on add. It will add here this error that you will receive, which is fine because I already confirmed that the URL, and when you click show details, the chain ID is correct, and that's the main important thing. The only difference that on Ledger it's called abstract, and here it's called abstract mainnet. Actually, the network name doesn't matter much, and even the explorer, if you make a wrong explorer, it doesn't matter much. But when you are seeing a transaction and you wanted to see it on the blockchain, like in front of us here, so when you click on it, it will not open the correct website, so you will not see the transaction. So the explorer URL is important in case you wanted to follow things on the chain, as the blockchain is an open and public ledger. If you wanted to see it, so it's better to make it like remove it, but you cannot remove it here. So that's why I will use Ledger again. And the currency also is very important to be Ethereum, ETH. So I will cancel and I will start the demo from here. So now I will go to ledger.com, which is the most trusted website, as I said. Then I will click on support. So it will become support.ledger.com. All I need to do is like how to add custom network. Then it will pop up to MetaMask. So when I click on that, it will show you a few screenshots and the steps manually, where Ledger, as we said, is a trusted website. So in case you wanted to follow here, that's fine. If you wanted to follow the video, it is the same, but step-by-step guiding for you. So I will scroll down here. So in case you wanted to pause the video and follow that one, why not? Okay, so here, that's an example about a different network. So please make sure that you already know the network that you want. So we will open here as a first step is to open chain list website. Okay. Once you open it, you will see all the networks there. Instead of wasting time and search manually, I will click ABS. Please make sure it's abstract and the chain ID is 2741. Once we click connect wallet, it will open here telling you that that website, and this is one of the tricks that we need to make sure that the website is correct, chainlist.org. Then we'll click connect to the website, then automatically it will ask to add the new network. So I always recommend to open the full details and make sure that the chain ID is 2741. Here, the point I was pointing to, that it's here called abstract, that's why there is no error. Same ABSCAN.org, same Ether as a currency, and also the URL is the correct one. Must have the HTTPS for a secured communication, and the api.mainnet.abs.xyz, that's the website that we will be connecting to as a URL. So once I click approve, if I open MetaMask, then I will see ABS here as a network. Please make sure that you are not adding ZK Sync era mainnet, which I used it as suggested by abstract platform when you are transferring from exchanges like Binance Exchange, for example. So to your AGW, which is your global wallet on abstract platform. This is different here, so please do not add this one. Okay, so now I have the main wallet, okay, and the burner, okay, and all I need to do is like I need to go here and make sure that I'm on the Ethereum network from here, okay, because this is actually the funds, assuming you are on your hardware vault, for example from Ledger or any cold wallet or another, you need just to transfer the funds to your burner wallet. So you after or the third step, first step is to add the custom network, then you transfer the funds to the burner. Now it is the time to bridge the amount. When you open relay.link, and make sure please it's the correct website, I click swap now. Then I have here the bridge, which is very simple. You need to connect to the wallet. Connect. Yes, please. Then it will appear here. Again, please always make sure that you read the URL, not the title of the website. Okay. So here you need also to make sure that you are connected to the burner, either by opening it from the beginning, or you can change at any minute. You can do something like that. That's fine. But you need to change after that. So you can view the wallet that you are in like this, and then you can change. So here your wallet is connected. This is the amount you have on Ethereum, and it's telling you from Ethereum network to Base network. We don't need Base. We just need to click abstract and then change it to abstract. So I wanted to transfer from Ethereum network that amount, okay, and this is it's going to give an error. I wanted to show you also. So to abstract the same amount, and it will tell you it will cost around 60 cents. So I will click review. It will show you like the quotation or the quote amount. I will go to swap. Again, I'm using Wallet Guard as one of my trusted websites, and it will tell you a few information in a human readable form. So yes, I wanted to transfer that. Then it will come here and it will always give you an error. Why the error? Because the network here, you don't have the Ethereum or the amount enough to cover the gas. So in this case, I will cancel. Yes, cancel. And we need to reduce some amount. Okay, maybe we need to make it like 5, for example. Okay, or maybe yes, no, still, no. Yeah, let's say like something like that. So that means I have an extra, okay, because that is my max 27, which is $9.07. So when I move it to 5, assuming you are dealing with a different number, you can just leave few amount, okay, to cover up the gas of this transaction. Then I will click review and I will click swap. Again, it will tell me that you are going to lose this amount. Yes, because I am moving it from one to the other, and this is the cost of the gas. So I will click yes. Transaction is coming here without errors. It's costing 70. That's why when it showed me 60 cents here, it was not passing, because the MetaMask think it will cost 72. Then I will click confirm. Again, it will take some time until the transaction is finished, confirmed on the network. And again, if the video, if the transaction will take time, I will be pausing the video and then continue later. As you can see, the transaction is successful. I have removed this to abstract network and we click done. And now my max balance is approximately 40 cents or 46. That's fine. Even the gas fee is 57. That's fine. Now I can open MagicEden. Okay, let's say MagicEden.io. Yeah, and then by default I choose abstract, but if it's open in all the chains, you just need to go here to this icon and go to abstract. Then you can see a launchpad for some NFTs, you know, and then also another project in case you wanted to buy from them, and that's a different way. So when you go to launchpad, I will say, for example, go to launchpad. In the launchpad is telling me, for example, guaranteed, first come, first served. You have 3 wallets. Probably this is also whitelisted, so I believe none of them I can mint. So this, or let's connect and see to show it to you also. Yes, I wanted to connect. Which network or which wallet? Yes, the burner. So I will click OK. Then it will tell me to sign, just to know that you are the owner of the wallet, which is fine. It doesn't have anything bad. You can also see the message here. If it's not a human readable message, please don't sign it unless you know exactly that you are dealing with another transaction, which is in hex data. Okay, so here it is telling you the URL is MagicEden, launchpad, abstract, the project name. Please make sure that this is correct. Okay, the chain ID is the same. That's fine. This is just a normal request for signing the wallet. Then here, yes, I cannot mint. So I'm eligible as public, which starts in 1 hour plus. So that's fine, which is I'm already putting a $10. So I will go to another one, which is now it's free. So it's live. You can put your email or don't. This is something to MagicEden and it's already optional. By clicking mint, I agree. Then the mint will appear. Then you have nearly 19 hours to mint here. But how much is the amount mint fee? I didn't check that. How much in dollars? It doesn't show. Okay, let me do it by the calculator quickly. Multiply by 3,200. Oh, it's $1 mint, which is actually maybe the cost, but it's mentioned here free. That's fine. So I cannot get more than 1. I will click mint. Then it will come here that you are minting through MagicEden, and it will tell you the network fees. So I will click confirm. Congratulations, we have an item. We minted on abstract. Yeah, let's do it on 4th of February with cluckers. That's it all, folks. So I hope this helped you. If you need anything before 4th of February, maybe I can do another video based on the need. So thank you for watching and for your time. Have a good one.